So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, Dan, I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. It's the instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, and thanks so much for coming by. So this is a very serious video, and yes, I am putting on hand sanitizer again. This might be a common thing, and just a reminder, if you're watching this and you haven't put on hand sanitizer in the last 15 minutes, or if you don't have any, just wash your hands with antibacterial soap, to do that right now. Why? Because people are getting sick, and you guys know what I'm talking about. You guys know what's going on. If you don't yet, then maybe you haven't watched the news, but there's a reason the whole world is in lockdown mode right now, in quarantine. Actually, I just got a text from Crystal. Do you guys remember Crystal? She used to be on this channel a lot. I was just texting her today. She's in, well, maybe I shouldn't reveal her town, but she's in California. In her town, all the bars and restaurants are still open. And I'm like, what? We can't even go outside legally. We'll be arrested if we're seen walking around with a friend. I saw a ton of people walking around and hanging out at the beach today. I mean, they're not really enforcing it, but that's what they say they might do. Got a guy walking by. Hope he doesn't come in. Okay, no, he's walking. So what's going on today, guys, is Uber and Lyft drivers are getting sick. It was only a matter of time before Uber and Lyft drivers really start, you know, getting hit with this virus, with this, you know, with what's going on. I can't say that word, or else like this video won't get won't get monetized, and then, you know, won't get any views. But you guys know what I'm talking about. Uber drivers are getting sick. Why? Because when you drive an Uber and Lyft, you're getting exposed to a lot of people, and that's exactly what we don't want to do right now. So you're gonna get exposed to 20, 40, 50 people a day. Times that by 5 days, that's 100 to what? 200? I forgot what I said. 40, 50? 250 people a week. I mean, right now even rides are down, but even the people who do get in your car. I mean, I go out on the beach for a run, and when somebody walks by me, I walk the other way, guys. I'm taking this serious. 6 feet, man. No joke. What's going on? I just did get a message today from somebody who is sick. He told me not to reveal his name, so I'm going to respect that. I'm also going to respect his location too, just so you guys don't know where. But he is the first driver who I've heard of catch the virus. And so, with that being said, he stopped driving I think a few days ago. He returned. Well, I don't want to give too many details because you guys might figure out who it was, but Uber drivers are getting sick. Uber Lyft drivers are getting sick, and it's dangerous. It's just a really harsh reality if you have to pay bills and you have no choice what to do. Because for a lot of us, we still have to go out and do rides, even though, you know, we can't afford to, you know, even though we don't want to. The government's telling us to stay indoors, but what about our bills, right? What about food? We still need to eat. We still have rent bills to pay. We still have electricity. We still have our pool heating bills. or whatever, you know, credit card payments. The only way this quarantine would actually work is if people didn't have to work. If they said, okay, you know what, we're paying all your guys' bills, everyone go chill at home. But instead, well, even now, I mean, you got people going. Yesterday I was at the beach and literally 7,000 people were hanging out at the beach partying and drinking. I'm like, bro, we're in the middle of a quarantine. What are you guys doing out here? It's so selfish of you guys. If you're going out and hanging out with your friends right now, that is selfish. I'm sorry, but stay at home and FaceTime your friends. Do not go out. Don't stay indoors and make TikTok dances with each other. Now is not the time to do that. If you're hanging out with 1 or 2 people, that's one thing. Hanging out with 5 or 6, that's another. Stay at home, you know. That's how we're gonna win this thing. So, hand sanitizer. What was I saying? So, what should drivers do if they still have to go out? What they should do: use hand sanitizer. Obviously, use hand sanitizer every 10-15 minutes. Get alcohol wipes and wipe down your car's interior and exterior, like on the door handles, where people are touching. Wipe down your steering wheels. Wipe down your entire interior. Wipe down as much as you can. And that way, you will, you know, stay as safe as you can and as healthy as you can. Drink a lot of water, get your vitamins, get some sun. We have heard that the virus does not like the sun. So, yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, we got to stay safe out there. And if you're a driver, like, let me know what your plan is in the next couple of months. We heard Donald Trump wants to give everyone $1,000. Are you relying on that? You know, are you gonna do food delivery? I want to hear where you guys are driving. If you guys are still going out and making money, like good money, I'm actually genuinely curious how the heck that is actually a possibility right now. Yeah, guys, I'll talk to y'all soon. Stay safe out there. Bye.